Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. So as you can see right here, you will see, or when you're playing the Monopoly Go, you will see the orange kind of things, okay? And are the shields. And the more you play, let's have an example, I'm just going to click the play. The more I get shields to be able to protect my buildings if someone trying to destroy it or anything. So shields actually helping you out to protect your own property on Monopoly Go. Okay, so you have to keep playing in order to get your shields. Okay, and the more you get shields, as you can see right here at the top, you will see the 4,000 kind of currency, and you will see the shields. I only have one, so I have to have two more in order to get my own shields. Okay, as you can see right here, I have one added shield, and it will help me to protect my own property. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.